everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are going to open up this Boxy Charm. Although I don't think this is my monthly. I did order a couple of things off of the Boxy Charm site that, you know, where you can get things a little bit cheaper. So I ordered a couple of palettes on Airshot. So this could be my monthly. It could be a palette. I think it's just the palettes though, based on the weight of the box. But we'll see. We shall see. Maybe not. This is my Boxy Charm Premium palette, and it says Mother Nature. So let's, not what I thought it was going to be. So let's open this up here. Oh my. How interesting. This is the premium box? Okay. So the first thing in the box is the Chocolate Gold Soleil Long Wear Bronzer from Too Faced. I have like 2 of these in backup, so that's going in a giveaway. Then there is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek from Milk. It's a tinted blush and lip product. I have several of these. That's going in the giveaway. I got the Baddington brush set. It's got a powder brush, a contour foundation, and a contour foundation brush. I don't need any more brushes, but I am having a deep affection for brushes right now. So I may have to keep it. Especially since I just smelled it in my nose. You know, I'm a little bit crazy. Yeah. This is a good brush for my cream products to blend with. So, not bad. They're very heavy brushes, so maybe they'll hold up. The next thing I have is Pure Heals. This is Centella 90. It's an ampoule. I have no idea what that is. Soothing ampoule, which contains Centella extract. So it relieves irritations on sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. After cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of this product to your face. Gently pat for better absorption. I don't know. We'll give it a try. You know, we'll give everything a try. Okay, the next thing I have is from Tarte. It's the Lip Butter Balm from, I guess Tarte owns Sugar Rush. I have no idea. But it is in a cute little package. I'm sure you guys have seen these from other videos about the boxes. My box is very late, obviously. And then this is what the balm looks like. Let's just see how it feels on our lips. Reminds me of, I don't know, it's almost like a kid's balm. I don't know. We'll hang on to that. And then last but not least, I got the Kevyn Aucoin Expert Mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my stash because I've got a bunch of mascaras open. So yeah, that was what was in my Boxy Charm this month. Let's see how much it says it was worth. So the Expert Mascara is $29. Let's see how the things I'm keeping. The brushes, they say, were $90. I just find that hard to believe. The Sugar Rush Lip, and so 40, 130, 159. So it was basically a $200 box according to this, because $90 of it was the brushes, which I'm not buying into. All right, so yeah, that's our Boxy Charm. I'm not, for my first one, it's just not what I expected, but there is hope. All right, guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Be on the lookout for a big haul of different things from different places. And it's a box full. So, anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Mwah.